So do we want to write that paragraph in about the keyboard?
No. Next week we'll do that one. Okay, just copy down the benefits of using word processing software. Finish writing that.
No, sir, still right.
So still writing.
All right. Okay. Okay. Right. Write down now.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Wait.
No, sir.
All right. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. I'll keep. You just copy down. ඔගොල්ලෝ ඔක්කොම දැන් try කරන්න ඕනේ. front page එක ලස්සනට හදන්න. ලස්සන පින්තූර ටිකක් දාලා හරියට colors select කරගන්න. every time go through the colors. හරිද? go through the colors. කොහොමද colors පාවිච්චි කරන්න ඕනේ කියන එක. දැන් වැඩ ගොඩක් තියෙනවා පුතා. දවසකට පැය භාගයක්වත් තියාගන්න ICT වලට. at least half an hour do do the practicals. Okay, so the computer, that is the practical.
Done, sir.
So only the benefits of using a word processing software.
Yes, Puta, I didn't get you.
So only the benefits of using a word processing software, no? We need to write.
Yes, only benefits. Yes, Rashid.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Done, sir.
done. Okay, I think now almost you all have finished.
No, sir, still
No,
writing.
sir, still
Right,
writing.
okay. Because I have to give some questions related to today's lesson. අද දවසට මෙයා වෙච්ච questions ටිකක් දෙන්න ඕනේ. Okay?
Sir, can you send it to WhatsApp?
Okay, I'll do that. මට හිතෙන්නේ හැබැයි ලියාගෙන කියන්න හොඳයි. We'll write it.
Excuse me,
Yes, Kavisha.
sir, can you put the link of that you did the practical?
What Kavisha?
Sir, කරපු practical එක පොඩ්ඩක් දාන්න group එකට.
Oh, one dana. I'll put it to the YouTube and I'll give it. Okay?
Done.
Done. කට්ටියම ඉවරද?
Done.
Sir,
Yes, Puta.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Misha.
ඒකේ background එක දැම්මම picture එකෙන් ඒකට background එකට picture එකක් දැම්මම ඒ picture එකෙන් මේ භාගයයිනේ පෙන්වන්නේ.
Right, ඒ size එක අනුව පුතා. picture එකේ size එක අනුව ඒ. picture එක ගොඩක් ලොකු ඇති. capacity එක ගොඩක් ලොකු ඇති. size එක ගොඩක් ලොකු ඇති. ඒ හින්දා. Okay? So I'll tell you how to do that. Tile කියන එක apply වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. I'll do that. Okay? Right. If you all have finished, you are having some questions. Write down these questions. This is relevant to the keyboard. So next day we are going to do the keyboard, but before that you have to answer to these questions. As well as I have given some logic questions. How to add two numbers and display the result. How to multiply any two given numbers and display the result. How to add three subject marks and display the total marks and average marks. With help of simple English language. With the help of simple English language, you have to explain this question number 4, 5 and 6. Steps ටික කොහොමද ඔයා මේ දේවල් ටික කරන්නේ? How to add any two numbers and display the result. හරිද? ඒව ටික කොහොමද කරන්නේ කියලා simple English language එකෙන් step by step ලියන්න ඕනේ. Dilanya, ask the question.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I clicked insert and I went to the shapes.
Yes.
I draw a box
Yes.
and I wrote something in it.
Yeah.
How to erase the box?
Erase the box.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Just cut it now.
Now if you want, now you are selecting like this. No, this is the box. Right click on it, add text. Here you have typed the text, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you want to delete it.
No, sir. I went to insert.
Yes,
I went to insert and click the shapes,
yes.
and I didn't into what sir was in. I went like there was ABC like that.
Yeah, okay. ABC, yes. When you select,
I
what
clicked
will
that.
happen, that format will be appearing.
Yes, sir. How to delete that lines
All right,
in it?
you are selecting like this. You are going to format, shape outline, no outline. Okay,
Yes, sir.
no outline. So it will appear like that. Text effects.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the meaning of above keys means?
What key?
Here write the short note about keys, above keys, about above keys.
Ah, මේ ටික ගැන.
Oh,
Yeah, okay. Okay, then I'll copy it. Not the above key, below keys then. Okay.
okay, sir.
Teacher,
Thank you.
sir, we have to write this.
Yes. Yes, Puta.
Excuse me, sir, can you show the fifth question?
What question, Puta? That's all.
Fifth question?
Yeah, only these questions. Question number 1 to 6. You can see all the questions, right?
No, it's a
Yeah, Mituja. There are only 6 questions. 6.
okay, sir.
So you all have to read the textbook. Read it 2-3 times. No need to write about the keyboard part, Puta. Just write down this part. Only these questions. Read the textbook and read it. We just go through the textbook and write the answers. If you have finished, just put the message yes, finished.
Do we have to write the answers now?
No, no, no. At home, just it's like a homework. Just go through that. Okay.
Yes.
Sir,
And,
it's showing pictures in
yeah, Michelle,
background.
I can't hear you properly.
It's showing so many pictures in the background.
Not clear.
It's showing
I think
so
some
many
signal problem.
pictures in the
Yes,
background.
sir, I think so too. There is internet connection. We can hear her cut.
Yeah. Okay. Right.
It's showing so many pictures in the background.
Storing pictures to the background.
So many pictures.
Yes,
Many
yes. That's what I said. If the picture size is very small, what will happen? It will apply several times in the document. I'll show you that next week. Okay, how to change the
Please, sir.
size. Yeah.
Sir, can you show the next question little bit?
Yeah, there are only 6 questions, Kavisha.
No, sir, I can't see the six question.
Can you see it now?
Done.
Done. Okay. If you will have finished, yes, you can leave, Puta. If you have any doubts,
God
you can
bless you.
others. Yes, God bless you. God.
God bless you, sir. Thank you.
God bless you, sir. Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
did you put this one to the group?
Yes, put it to the group.
Are you putting?
Means, sir, did you send these questions to the groups?
God bless you,
No, no,
sir.
no.
Thank you,
God
sir.
bless you, Buddha. God bless you. No,
Sir,
Buddha.
can you send it?
Are you sending?
All right, I'll send it
I
to the
couldn't
group.
write.
I'll put this document to the group.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir, thank
Okay, God
you.
bless you.
God bless you, teacher.
God bless you, sir. Thank you.
God bless you, John.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, God,
Yes, sir, thank you, sir.
God bless you,
God bless you.
sir.
God
Thank you, sir.
bless you, Buddha. Okay.
God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Nicole, other.
God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Kavisha.
සර් මට හැනදුගේ මාව දැන්විල් ලොගුනේ සර් මහල් කිව්වට කලින්
කිව්වේ අර ඩොකියුමන්ට් එක හදන්න කියන එක කිව්වා පුතා. ඊට අමතරව මේ questions ටික දාන්න කිව්වා WhatsApp එකට. ඒ ටික තමයි මේ මූලිකව කිව්වේ පුතා.
ඕකේ සර්
Okay, God bless.